Okay, guys, you're welcome back to the Crypto Niche channel. And today I want to show you how to fund your account on exchange rate platform. All right. So I explained to you guys that there are two different billing system on exchange rate. We have the subscription billing that charges you $241, okay, to use the platform for a period of 1 month, okay. But the issue is that if you don't have a reasonable amount of capital, then it means that the profit that you make might actually go back into paying your monthly subscription, okay, for the first option. So, but if you have a reasonable capital like $2,000, $3,000, then even if what you are only able to make in a month is only like 20 to 30% of your capital. 30% of $3,000 is $900 for that month. So by the time you remove 241 USD from it, then you are still left with almost $700, okay, or something close to that. So but I'm going to be choosing this option because I don't have such capital right now. Not as if um I'm not willing to try the other method, but I think that it makes sense to start with the profit share, okay? Because the platform is going to be taking like profit share of 40% from every profit that is being made. For instance, now if I make a profit of $100 from the platform will charge me $40 from that, okay? So, but when I noticed that everything makes sense. Okay, like I tried this for a month and it looks so much profitable. Then the following month, it may not even be up to it may not even be up to a month. I'm just decide to look at it for like a week, and if everything makes sense, I will probably switch to the subscription mode. Okay, and increase my trading capital. But right now, I've added extra 500 USDT to the trading account. So if you go to my wallet now, the USD M futures. So you're going to be seeing an increased balance on the platform because I have been able to add more funds to it, so I can use that for to test out the bot and for trading. So I'm going to be updating you guys about my result on this channel like every other day. So as this is moving up, I'm going to be updating you guys. If it is going down, I'm also going to be updating you guys on the channel. So you just need to subscribe to the channel, stick around, subscribe to the channel. Let's move this to 10,000 subscribers. Yes, 10,000 subscribers, real time organic subscribers. Like this video, subscribe, ask me any question you may have in the comment box. Let me know what you think about these tutorials, and because I'm going to be creating a dedicated playlist to exchange rates bots on this channel. So now I want to add the minimum balance here. So let's say I'm going to add 70. Okay, so I'll click here. It's going to generate a QR code for me. I think they have a third-party payment gateway that they have integrated into their platform. So I'm going to come here. Then I will use my mobile app wallet to scan this code. Okay. So after scanning this code, then I'm going to send. It says I should send 70.059 Okay, I think that's fine. So to this address, and I only have less than 5 minutes to do so. So I've been able to open the app now, and I'm going to do the transaction. Okay, so let me do the transaction. It's going to cost me like 8 Tron. No, that's massive. That is really massive. So what about the password to the wallet? Coming second place. Okay. So I'm going to try and complete the transaction as fast as possible. Okay, so the transaction has been submitted and I'm waiting for it to be confirmed from their side. Okay, I think there's a way I can track the payments. Okay, there's a way I can track the payments. So let's see where this is going to take us to. This is a new journey for me personally. I've been using trading bot for a while. I've used Big Gap, I've used ReaQ bots, I've used binary bots. Which other bot again? You know, I've tried a couple of bots in the last few years, but the one that has really been consistent, that has really been working so fine is Big Gap bots. Okay, so but Big Gap have a limitation. They don't have uh, a futures bot that works so well. Okay, that works so well. I've tried the futures bot a couple of times, but they have one of the best sports bots in the world right now. So I want to see if I can use this platform to complement what BitGuard does not have. So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to see if this is going to outperform the combo bots on the BitGap platform. So it says I should track my payment status here. Let me open a new tab and see what these guys are talking about. So how do you want me to track my payment system, my payment status from this point? How? I don't understand. I don't understand. Status pay. Check the minimum payment amount for each pair. Okay. For each pair. I don't know. Let's see. No, the countdown is still here. We are trying to make payment. It says that I should wait for 15 minutes after transferring the payment. So I think I have to wait. I have to pause. I need to pause this video and wait as much as I can. Okay, so once the payment is showing on the dashboard, this is my order number. So then I'm going to resume back to this video. The goal is that I want to show you guys how to make the payment, and after making the payment, and I'm going to launch a new bot. Okay, a new bot on the futures platform. Okay, you're welcome back. So at this stage, I've been able to fund my account with this amount of um money. That's $70.06 at this point. So I'm still on this profit sharing stuff, but you're going to encounter a small issue. So you may have this kind of response like your payment is incomplete. You have received this amount of money instead of this. So don't feel bad about it. You don't have to bother yourself about it. Your money is still going to reflect on this billing address, this balance. Okay, so you can ignore this. You can always ignore this statement. Okay, ignore this statement. Ignore it. It's none of your business. So the next thing I'm going to do from here is to come to um what is it? The setup. Is it going to be setup? No, the settings. Okay, risk is false, testing, apply, whatever. So let me go to my dashboard. Let me go to my dashboard, and this is the dashboard, and we are not seeing any other information on the dashboard right now. Okay, so from here, I'm going to just apply 5. This is the so targets. I don't know why I can't change these targets. 6% is just too much. It's just too much. Okay, so my capital is 502. Okay, not sure it is up to that because what we are seeing on Binance is 501. Okay, um auto restart, yes. Risk. So at this stage now, let me now try and launch the bot. Okay, let me try and launch the bot. I'm going to click on start. There are no subscription active, session not started. I don't know what it means by that statement. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to take a screenshot of the message, and I'll reach out to the support in the Telegram group. Okay. So if I want to start the new one, or maybe I've been able to start the new bot, then I will update you guys on the channel and show you exactly how it is working. But this is how to fund your accounts, especially um if you are using the profit share. Okay, I'm using profit share right now, as you can see, and I'm trying to start a new bot and see how it works. Okay, so I'm going to see you guys in the next tutorial. Bye for now.